This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 106 of Building Prime Optimus Prime from the Transformers. An irreplaceable leader. The faces of Optimus Prime. Yeah, because he changed went back to the classic look for the fourth film. From the big American truck to the more front-facing one. There we go. All about that. Highbrow. Nope, don't remember him. Decepticons, the Cyberverse. Yeah, again, Cyberverse I had no idea about. If you want to read all of the words on the pages, as well as admire all the pretty pictures, feel free to pause the video, zoom in, do whatever you need to do to look at that. But I'm mainly here for the building, which is where we're starting on the right arm. We did the hand a couple of issues back, and we're going to be attaching that once we've built this up. So we've got, a elbow, forearm basically, and then putting the hand onto it. Here we go. Good to go. Won't take long to do that, I don't think. Famous last words. See you in just a sec when I clear this out of the way. Okay, here we go. We've got our couple of plastic bits. We've got a metal bracket piece. And yeah, that I think is metal as well. No, that might be plastic. Pretty much plastic this time. So we're going to be building this up. We're going to be starting with this one. Putting that onto there. That way round. And holding that in place with 2 IP screws. Let's get those out. Put one back. I know we're going to be using a few more in a minute because there's quite a lot in the packet. So this is the joint that the hand attaches to, I want to say. I've got the hand. I shall grab that in just a sec anyway, because we're going to put that on at the end. And I'm pretty sure it's got this ball joint type fitting. Yeah, that's going to pop on there, but not yet. We've got to build the whole thing first. So we've got that. Then we're putting that bit onto the back. And getting it the right way round. Yes, that way around matches up with that and gives us the end piece there. And we're using 2 more IP screws for that. Just through there. Now again, with this one, I've got to put everything in and tighten them all up. I know I do like to help you skip through the boring parts, or the most boring parts. But unless I'm going to break this up into several little segments, you're going to have to sit with me while I tighten up all the screws on this. So there we go, that's that in there. Then we need the nut, which is in here, which is going into there. Okay, just like that. And then not do anything with it. Okay, interesting. We're going to need these like friction pads. And these friction pads. So there are different. One has got the blob on the outside, one's got the blob on the inside. Other than that, they're identical. So as long as you pair them up, it doesn't matter which way round they go. So that's going into there. Keyed in there. Then that's going on top of that. That way round and then that way round. Like that. Then they're going into there. That one that way around, and that one that way around is going into there. Like that. That's going onto the top, and then we need everything else as well. So let's get everything ready. We need screw 2 types of washer. We've got the springy washer first, then the big washer. That's going through there. Then through there. Then through there. And then that's going together like that. And that is going onto the top there. And then I need to find the tool that I haven't got ready to tighten that up. So I won't tighten that up quite yet. Let's just have a check and see what else I need to do. We need 2 more IP screws, which will leave me with 1. So that's going to be spare. That's an empty. That's empty. That's got spare of each type of washer. So these are going to go through here to hold that together as well. Nice. That tightened up. Make sure that does, yeah, that clicks in place as it goes around there. So that's all working. Apart from tightening that up, which I shall do momentarily. That bit goes on there. It's got 2 sides of a bayonet, but they don't actually matter which way round. He says. That does go all the way down. So it does go on that way round. No, it doesn't go. It's got to go the other way around. Just haven't got that lined up. Take a bit more force to get that on there. Anyway, that's that. Then we've got to pop the hand on, which does just go on there. So I do need to get that on there fully first. Right, let me work on getting that tightened through and on there, and then tighten that up and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Right, there we go. That's that. I, again, filed that down a little bit to make it fit a little bit tighter, a little bit better. But that's now on there secure. The hand has popped on, so we've got some wrist movement should we need it. And basically, that's that. It's good to go. That's all tight on there as well now. It's so tight I can't actually move that. But once it's connected to the other part of the arm, I'm sure I will be able to. So there we go. All done. I think I've got it the right way around. I think I've got the hand on the wrong way around because that's on the outside. Yes, that should be on the outside, but that now looks the same as it does in the picture. So I'm happy with how all that's gone together. So there we go, another issue done. Join me for more very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.